Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, what I recommend you to do is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, and you can check it in the settings if you need it. And then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it will fix your problem. Next one, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have circle, and this actually a touch area right here and right here, so make sure that you tap on it. And the last one, maybe your gesture feature is set to none, so open Nothing X application and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it. You will see the same menu as I have. Now scroll down and go to the controls. And right here, as you can see, we haven't features in the double tap and double tap and hold. So by default you will have it. So it's okay, and if you just you can set something on it, so just tap on it and let's say I wanna play and pause the song and we just add it. So you can make something like this and check, maybe it fix your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.